Yeah. So that is why we have mentioned we have taken one recommendation for as built. As built, it will also cover operation and maintenance manual.
No.
that-
As built will not cover operation. This is
Not cover,
5.1. No. I am talking about 5.1.
Okay. So Iqbal, can you tell me what to write?
Yeah. This shutdown procedure.
That would be a recommendation, Chairman, please.
Shutdown procedure maintenance.
Just 1 minute. Hello? Take it to recommendation, Chairman, please.
This one.
No. I mean, make it a recommendation.
Okay, make a recommendation.
5.1, you can make it in recommendation actually.
Yeah, sure. I agree. Where operation and maintenance.
Isolation, de-isolation procedure.
Correct. Good point, Iqbal. Thank you.